For unparalleled air conditioning systems in Las Vegas, Nevada, Honest HVAC serves as your premier supplier. Specializing in top-tier AC systems for residential and commercial properties, we prioritize indoor comfort and energy efficiency. Our extensive inventory features a diverse range of systems from leading brands in the industry, meticulously tailored to meet your specific requirements and preferences. With a steadfast commitment to honesty and transparency, we provide expert guidance to ensure you find the ideal air conditioning solution for your space. Trust Honest HVAC as your go-to air conditioning system supplier in Las Vegas, Nevada, where excellence and reliability are guaranteed. Contact us today at Honest HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an air conditioning system supplier near me? You can stop looking. You found Honest HVAC. How can I place an order for an air conditioning system with Honest HVAC in Las Vegas, Nevada? To place an order for an air conditioning system with Honest HVAC in Las Vegas, Nevada, simply contact us, and our team will assist you with your purchase. How does Honest HVAC ensure the quality of its air conditioning systems in Las Vegas, Nevada? Honest HVAC sources air conditioning systems from reputable manufacturers and ensures each product meets high-quality standards before offering it to customers in Las Vegas, Nevada. What is your air conditioning system supplier for Las Vegas, Nevada? Our local air conditioning system supplier have served clients in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley North, Nevada. Where is your Honest HVAC office located? We are located at A100,9205 West Russell Road Building 3, Suite 130, Las Vegas, Nevada 89148, United States. Our phone number is 725-444-7247. Visit our website, https://honestthecompany.com/west-russell-spring-folly-installation-repair.